Good evening, I'm Tony Husband with the latest news from the south. A West Sussex woman says her wedding plans and her whole life are in tatters after being told she's not allowed to stay in the UK. 21-year-old Jackie Young has lived in Britain for 7 years. She went to school in Littlehampton, to college in Chichester, and now lives with her British fiancé in Bognor Regis. But she failed to renew her visa before it expired. Immigration officials say she doesn't meet residency rules and must leave within days. Sean Killick reports.
Jackie and Jamie have been together 3.5 years. They sent out their wedding invitations this week, but the next day a letter arrived saying Jackie had to leave the country. Jackie came to Britain 7 years ago, aged 14, with her mother Diane and sister Tanya, who are also South African. They've both been allowed to stay here with Jackie's stepfather, Robert Young, who's British. Jackie says her application has taken 4 years to process, been lost twice, judged on the wrong criteria and beset with errors. Even the letter this week referred to her as a male and mentioned Pakistan rather than South Africa.
I feel awful. I don't understand how they can just send me back to a country where there's nothing. There's no family, no friends. Basically, they're sending me to a country where there's nothing and I could die.
I do support both of us. She does work part-time. We don't claim a single penny. We live privately, private rental, and we don't have any sort of burden in society. We don't claim anything.
The family's spent £10,000 fighting Jackie's case, and she's been told even once she's married, she won't automatically be allowed to stay here.
Unfortunately, she would still have to go back to South Africa under the rules and apply for entry clearance from South Africa, and she really doesn't have anybody in South Africa. So what Jackie is saying is that if she went to South Africa, she'd literally be homeless. She doesn't have enough money to fund herself and remain in a hotel there, because the process could take 3-4 months. It could take longer.
The Home Office gave us a statement referring to Jackie by her original name.
All applications are considered on their individual merits and in line with the immigration rules. The onus is on the individual to provide the necessary evidence to support their application. Unfortunately, in the case of Ms van der Spey, she did not meet the requirements of residency rules, which is why her application was refused.
Jackie has been told to contact border agency officers by Monday to discuss her departure. Sean Killick, BBC South Today.